Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If you are defending a village from a raid and the progress bar is completely stuck, or there is one single pillager left that refuses to spawn, the raid system is glitched. I will show you exactly how to bypass the broken waves and fix your raid right now. Let's get started. First, if the raid bar is stuck on a wave with just one enemy left, the final pillager has likely spawned underground inside a cave or fallen into a hidden hole. If you are playing the Java edition, simply find the village bell and ring it. This will instantly apply a glowing outline to all nearby raiders, letting you see them through solid walls. If you are playing the Bedrock Edition, the glowing feature does not work, so you must carefully listen for the pillager horn sound, which gets significantly louder the closer you dig towards the trapped enemy. Next, if the pillagers have completely vanished into thin air, or the progress bar is permanently frozen at the top of your screen, you can forcefully cancel the event. Minecraft defines a village strictly by its beds, meaning if you run around and physically break every single claimed bed in the immediate area, the raid loses its target. Once the game engine registers that the village no longer exists, the raid will automatically fail, and the stuck progress bar will finally disappear. Finally, the absolute fastest way to clear a permanently glitched raid without having to destroy your custom villager breeder or trading hall is to just flip your difficulty setting. Open your game settings, temporarily switch your world difficulty to peaceful mode, and exit the menu for just a second. This instantly forces the game to delete all hostile entities, completely wiping out the stuck pillagers, evokers, and ravagers, and immediately erasing the broken raid. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.